So until now, we know how to use a set state method and how it can be used to rebuild the screen with the new state. But it's it's better if we practice some with some more examples. Let's start and create a new screen. New file will be suppose it should be, I will just name it stateful dot. As usual, import material package, then have a stateful widget of my stateful screen. I have just named it like this. Then have a scaffold and an app bar as usual. In the title, have a text of stateful widget. In the body, you in the body, let's have a center widget, and in child, let's have a column widget. Now, since it's a stateful widget, definitely there has to be some state. So I will create one list of string. I will name it names is equal to this, and like Elon, Bill, Mark. Okay, and I will have another state of int I is equal to 0. You might be thinking, what are these? So it's just 0 because the index of a list starts with 0. Now here in that, I will first there will be some text, one text field, and to my name is, then names and I. So it will, at the very beginning it will show Elon, and for that we have to change in the my main dot, it should be my stateful screen, and then restart. Let's see my name is Elon. Okay, and also the column I will just say main axis alignment dot center, that is from top to bottom it should be in center. Okay, now what I want is I want two raise buttons in the same column. Raise means I mean elevated button, and first button will be next, and the second elevated button will be go back. Okay, let's see. Okay, what I want is when I click on this next button, my name is Elon should be my name is Bill. That is, it should circle or it should go through that list of names. For that, in the on press, I have to change the data of I. That is, I is 0, it should be 1 if I click on the next button. So for that, I will just write set state and then I plus plus. Let's see. I will click on this next. See, my name is Bill. And if I click, my name is Mark. Similarly, if I want to go back, I will just set state I minus minus. Here, if I click on next, it will go Bill. If I click on go back, it will again Elon. But the thing is, if the user click on next multiple time, then it will show some error. See, because I is only the length is only 0, 1, there is 3. But if I goes more than 2, it will start showing error. To for that we have to do some kind of conditions here in the on press, such as set state if I will just write here if I is less than names dot length, then only execute this set state thing. Okay, now let's restart and check what will happen. 0, 1, 2. When it goes to 3, it should not execute. 0, 1 will mark, and again it worked. I have to write -1 here then, definitely. Let's do it again. Elon, Bill, see. Now it's not showing any error. And similarly, go back. When we are going back, we have to check if I is not equal to 0, then minus. If it's already 0, then we cannot go further. Now let's try it. If I go 1, 2, 3, okay. Now if I go Bill, Elon, and now if I try to go back also, then also it won't work, because we have our condition which will make sure the screen doesn't crashes. So this is a very basic example of set state. One more example you can have is, suppose there is a color, this color of colors dot red. Okay, this is one state. Now I will have a floating action button. Floating action button. The in the child, it will have an icon of icons dot, let's see, I don't know what is the color lens. Let's check it out. See, okay, I have this icon here. What I want is, when I click on this icon, its color should change. Now I have this background color, and this background color will be this state, that is red. Okay, so in the very beginning the state is red, but I want is, when I click on this button, the state should be changed. So when I click on this button, set state, color is equal to colors dot amber. I'm just showing you different examples so that you are more comfortable with the set state and understand what it does. Now I'm clicking on it. See, the color changed to amber. So this is the use of set state, and this is how a stateful widget works. It simply changes that data and rebuilds the screen with that new data. Simple as that. So in the next video, we will discuss few of the remaining concept of this module. And after that, we are good to go into the next Flutter concepts. Thank you.